Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify connect Expensify to Airtable for receipts workflow step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Log into your Expensify account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the menu, select Connected Apps. Look for Airtable in the list of available integrations. Click on the Airtable integration option. You will see a button that says Connect to Airtable. Click on it. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your Airtable account. Enter your Airtable credentials and click Login. You may be asked to allow Expensify to access your Airtable account. Click Allow to continue. Return to your Expensify settings page to configure your integration. Select the Airtable base you want to connect to. Make sure to map the corresponding fields between Expensify and Airtable. This helps ensure your receipts and data sync correctly. Click on Save to finalize your settings. Now, navigate to your receipts within Expensify. Select a receipt you want to sync with Airtable. Click on the Sync option or the dedicated button for Airtable. Your receipt should now be successfully sent to Airtable. To check, open your Airtable account in a new tab. Navigate to the base you connected to Expensify. Verify that your receipt data appears as expected. If everything looks good, your integration is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.